Hi there, my name is Rebecca Gert, and my website is Miss Rebecca's Butterfly Garden. On this first page, you can see just a little synopsis of what my web page is about. And then when you go to the bio page, you find a nice little summary of my life, what I'm doing in school right now, and just how I have worked with kids before, and some hobbies, and just a nice little picture of me. On my resources page, I have a few resources that I use to research butterflies and larvae and stuff like that for my website. And then on the Web 2.0 resources page, we have different resources that we went over in class, like Blogger, Google Docs, Google Drives, all of those. And then on Rebecca's Choice, we have just some resources that I really enjoyed, like Pinterest, YouTube, some like fun butterfly websites that I found that I really thought was interesting. And then on my technology project page, we have a thematic slideshow on the different butterflies. You can go through those, find out what these butterflies are all about. And then right underneath that is my digital scavenger hunt. And I did a scavenger hunt on different students around campus and how they live their lives. So then we're going to keep going to digital story. My digital story is a YouTube video based on how the life cycle of a butterfly is similar to the life cycle of my little sister. But that's all I'm going to say because I'll let you watch that video for yourself. So then on my mobile app page, I have a nice little slideshow on the app called Scratch Junior, which is just a cute little app for very young students to start learning how to program at a very young age and get them more involved in that business. And then right under that, we have my PLN PLE page. And that just explains what a PLE, or personal learning environment, and a PLN, or personal learning network, are, with a little visual and all that. And then right underneath that, we have a description on all that. We have my reflections. We have examples. I have that all there with links. And then for the videos, we did not get to anything. For my website evaluation, we have this. It's a nice little document where I evaluated a website. So then for my evaluations, we have my Apple Teacher Certification, which, even though it's under my father's name, I still have all 8. And that is my website. But there's also more to my website. So at the bottom of every page, there's a tech blog. And so if you click on that, I've already got it loaded up, you can see my tech blog, my reflections on technology. So I have the different blog posts and all that. You can go and read them yourselves. It'll be super fun. And that is my website. Thanks for watching.